Hi friends, this is your friend Israeli Math Concepts. Please, if this is your first time of viewing my video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Israeli Math Concepts so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. In this video, I'm going to teach you on the construction of angle 90 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Before we go into the construction, there are some instruments that will enable us to do the construction. The first is my ruler, which enables me to draw my straight line. Another one is my pair of compass that will enable me draw my arc and also cut my arc. Then another one is my protractor that will enable me measure my angle. Alright, then the last thing I need here is my eraser and my pencil. My eraser, and here is my pencil. My eraser will enable me to erase my errors based on my sketches or traces. Alright, let's go into the construction of angle 90 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. The first thing we do is, with your ruler and your pencil, draw a straight line of your choice. Assuming I draw a straight line of 10 centimeters. So this straight line is 10 centimeters. So I call this first point A, and I call the second point here point B. So the next thing I will do, which is the second step, is to locate the center of my AB. Of course, since I've known that from my A to my B is 10 centimeters, so half of 10 centimeters should be 5 centimeters. So with my ruler, I measure out 5 centimeters, which is at this point. So on this very point is my center point. I will label it maybe a particular point, point P. So with my center P, then I will increase my pair of compass to a certain radius that is smaller than the length AB. So this radius, as you can see, it is smaller than the length AB. Let me adjust it a little bit than the length AB. Then I draw an arc to cut this very point of my line AB, and I continue the line as if I'm drawing a semicircle, and it also cuts the line AB. So from what you can see here, this very semicircle was able to cut this line AB at this point. Let me call this point E. And it was also able to cut it at this other point. Let me call it point F. Okay, the next thing I will do is, I will now increase my pair of compass to a certain radius that is greater than this semicircle. So as you can see, this radius is greater than my semicircle here. Alright, then with this point F as my center and radius greater than this semicircle, I draw an arc at this point. So pulling out my pair of compass and using my point E as my center also, I now cut this arc. So the point where these two arcs was cut is called the point of intersection. As you can see, this is the point of intersection. Let me call it point G. Alright, the next thing I will do is to pick my ruler, place it on this point G and on this point P. Then I draw a straight line. Make sure that your ruler is touching the point G and also touching the point P. Then I now draw my straight line to meet the 2 points. So I've succeeded in constructing my angle 90. Hence, the angle here is 90 degrees. If you want to check if you are correct, use your protractor. This very point of intersection in this your protractor, just put it on the center point P And you know this protractor is measured from 0 degree up to 180 degrees. So from this very point to this very point is 90 degree. And also from this point to this very point is also 90 degree. Hence, you've constructed your angle 90 degree. Then let's go into construction of 45 degree. It's very simple. If you bisect your angle 90 degree into two equal parts, you will discover that half of it will be 45 degree, while the other half is also 45 degree. And how do we bisect this angle 90 degree into two equal parts? Very simple. Let me take this very point F, and this other point, let me call it point M. So using these very 2 points, it will be now convenient for me to bisect this angle 90. So if I increase my pair of compass to a certain radius and I put it on my point F and I draw an arc, then I pull it out and also put it on this point M. Then I cut my arc. So at this very point of intersection, where these two arcs meet, I dot it. I call it point N. Then putting my ruler to touch this point N and this point P together, I draw a straight line to meet both the point P and the point N. Hence, from this very place to this very place is angle 45 degrees. The same thing is applicable from this very point M to this certain point is also my angle 45 degree. Alright, we have succeeded in bisecting angle 90 degrees into two equal parts to have our 45 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Thank you for viewing. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Israeli Math Concept, and so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Also, try to share this very video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you and see you next time. God bless you.